Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Kandi Kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting craft supplies available today, offering a fantastic way for creators of all ages to express their individuality and build unique accessories. Whether you're looking to craft personalized bracelets for friends, design eye-catching necklaces, or even experiment with more complex beaded art, this kit provides everything you need to get started on your creative journey. It's an accessible entry point into the world of jewelry making and a wonderful tool for developing fine motor skills and artistic flair, making it a perfect choice for anyone seeking a fun and rewarding hands-on activity. Number 5. DICOBD Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the DICOBD Bracelet Making Kit, your all-in-one solution for crafting beautiful jewelry. It's perfect for anyone looking to express their unique style. This comprehensive set features over 12,000 vibrant glass seed beads in 24 dazzling colors. You'll also find plenty of alphabet and heart beads to personalize your creations. Everything is neatly organized in a 24-grid plastic box, making it simple to find the exact beads you need. We've ensured the packaging keeps your supplies secure. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a wonderful way to create meaningful presents for loved ones. With so many beads, you can create bracelets, necklaces, rings, and more. Let your imagination run wild and complete multiple projects without interruption. Enjoy a premium crafting experience with our high-quality, waterproof, and consistently sized beads. They ensure smooth threading for all your DIY jewelry designs. What we like? This kit offers a massive quantity of beads for endless crafting. If you're looking for a comprehensive set with a wide variety of colors and enough material for numerous projects, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want to dive deep into jewelry making without running out of supplies. What people say. Came with 2 things of string, both kits work great. Everything was neatly packaged with the alphabet letters separated in a different container from the beads. The beads were separated into individual colors. Nicely packaged. I appreciate the variation in seed bead colors and the extensive alphabet beads. Number 4. Quefe 3960 PCS Pony Beads Friendship Bracelet Making Kit. Discover a stunning array of 48 rich colors, with 2,400 rainbow beads in pure, pearl, transparent, flash, and AB finishes. Perfect for bringing your unique DIY projects to life with endless style possibilities. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, these beads offer a smooth, shiny surface that's built to last. They are strong, sturdy, and resistant to fading, ensuring your creations remain beautiful over time. With pony beads at 6 by 9 mm and letter beads in 2 convenient sizes, these are perfectly matched for creating all kinds of jewelry and handicrafts. The thoughtful sizing makes crafting a breeze. Go beyond bracelets and necklaces. Use these versatile beads to design charming cartoons, animal figures, or personalized souvenirs with the included letter beads. Let your imagination run wild. Everything comes neatly organized in 3 sturdy, separate plastic boxes. This convenient storage makes it easy to keep your beads tidy and transport them wherever inspiration strikes. What we like? Experience a vibrant spectrum of colors with this set, featuring 5 distinct finishes for unique designs. If you appreciate variety in bead texture and appearance, and want to create jewelry with a professional, polished look, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for crafters who love to experiment with different aesthetics. What people say. The variety of colors in this pack are perfect for a variety of crafts. The size is perfect for little hands to handle easily and string onto a string or pipe cleaner. Much easier than smaller glass beads. They don't break easily even though my sew seems to think every strand of beads should be used as a slingshot. Great beginner's set with lots of options, would just recommend getting a better fabric string so it holds up better. There are so many colors and options. I needed the beads for my probability unit in AP statistics, but now it will become a birthday gift for my niece. Number 3. TOAOB Alphabet Beads for Jewelry Making. Discover a world of crafting possibilities with our extensive alphabet bead set. It's perfect for creating personalized jewelry and unique DIY projects. This comprehensive kit includes a variety of letter beads in 5 colors, plus pony beads and a generous roll of crystal string. You'll have everything you need for countless creations. The cube letter beads measure 6 by 6 mm with a 3.5 mm hole, ideal for easy stringing. The pony beads are 9mm with a 4mm hole, offering versatility for your designs. Featuring large holes and clear, four-sided letter printing, these beads make crafting a breeze. The included elastic string ensures your creations come together smoothly. These alphabet beads are perfect for making personalized bracelets and necklaces. They're a wonderful way to express yourself and create meaningful gifts for loved ones. From DIY crafts to party decorations, the possibilities are limitless. Let your imagination run wild and enjoy the process of bringing your ideas to life. What we like. This kit focuses on the essential alphabet beads for personalized creations. If your main goal is to create custom bracelets with names or messages, and you appreciate a simple, straightforward approach to crafting, this set is perfect for you. The included crystal string makes it easy to get started immediately. What people say. I was able to make 18 of them. The beads are good beads, what can I say? I've already made a ton of bracelets with it so far. This is an excellent gift item. The wide assortment made it fun to use to make many items. Number 2. Miss Rabbit 3500 Plus Rainbow Pony Beads Kit. Discover endless crafting possibilities with our vibrant Rainbow Pony Beads Kit. It's perfect for making jewelry, braiding hair, and so much more. This comprehensive kit includes over 3,200 pony beads in 24 colors, alphabet beads, heart beads, elastic string, and essential tools. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Explore a stunning variety of colors and finishes, including solid, matte, pearl, and transparent beads. Create unique bracelets, necklaces, keychains, and even decorate hair braids. Looking for a special gift? This bead set is an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion that calls for a fun and creative activity. Keep your crafting space tidy with the included mess-free storage box. Each bead is neatly organized, making it easy to find the perfect color for your project. We're confident you'll love this kit. If you're not completely satisfied, we promise a replacement or a full refund. Get yours today and start creating. What we like. This set brings a fun and versatile crafting experience, even including tools for hair braiding. If you're looking for a kit that offers multiple creative outlets beyond just jewelry, and you enjoy a wide range of colors and finishes, this is a fantastic option. It's great for kids and adults who like to explore different craft projects. What people say. The Kandi Kit is a fantastic way to get started with electronics. It includes all the necessary components and clear instructions, making it easy for beginners to assemble and understand basic circuits. The kit is well designed and the components are of good quality, ensuring a durable and functional final product. I was impressed with the versatility of the Kandi Kit. It offers a variety of projects that can be built, from simple LED blinkers to more complex sensor-based devices. The included microcontroller is powerful enough for many applications, and the expandability options allow for further customization and learning. The Kandi Kit is an excellent educational tool. The accompanying documentation provides in-depth explanations of the concepts behind each project, helping users to not only build but also to truly understand the principles of electronics and programming. It's a great hands-on learning experience. Number 1. Pizooro 5 Boxes Pony Beads Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the ultimate bracelet making kit from Pizooro. It's packed with everything you need to create unique and personalized accessories. Dive into a world of 84 dazzling rainbow colors and fun shapes. You'll find pony beads, letter beads, and shaped beads to bring your designs to life. This comprehensive kit includes over 3,700 beads, elastic cords, scissors, tweezers, and organizers. It even comes in beautiful packaging, perfect for gifting. From friendship bracelets and candy cuffs to necklaces and hair beads, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild with these versatile beads. Whether you're crafting for yourself or making gifts, this kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just a fun creative session. Join the Kandi community and express yourself through handcrafted bracelets. It's more than just beads, it's a way to connect and share positivity. What we like. Embrace the spirit of Kandi culture with this incredibly diverse and complete set. If you are a dedicated Kandi enthusiast or looking for the most comprehensive collection of beads, including unique shapes and a vast color palette, this is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for creating intricate designs and participating in the PLUR handshake tradition. What people say. Huge array of beads with plenty of color and string to use. The color variety is good, there was a lot more beads than I originally expected. There's a large variety of beads with colors and letters that are easy to read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.